Grok just locked free users out, but creators are already moving to something better. It's free, it's powerful, and it can even help you generate AI videos without limits. This is Meta AI, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it as your new go-to AI tool.
So this is the Meta AI interface. Here you type whatever prompt you have. The plus button is for adding media files, your images, or whatever it is you want to add into Meta for Meta to use it and give you a good response. Under it you see create. When you click on create, it gives you option to generate images and videos. Here you can choose between image and video. Here you can choose your aspect ratio, either 1:1, 9:16, or 16:9. If you don't know what an aspect ratio is, it means how the video will turn out. Will it be like a YouTube long form video, which is 16:9? Will it be like a TikTok video or YouTube shorts video, which is 9:16? Or will it be like a WhatsApp status video, 1:1? Okay, that being said, if you type anything inside here, this send button will be activated. It is the button that you click after you finish putting in your prompt. Over here you will see that the logo of Meta AI just turns to an open sidebar button if you hover over it. That means there are other options there. When you click on it, it opens the sidebar. The first thing you see is new chat. What is new chat? New chat is when you want to start a new project, when you want to continue in a different fresh project or chat. That is where you click. When you click on it, it opens a fresh chat that has nothing inside it, and you start whatever project you want to work on over there. Search directly beneath it is for searching through your history. When you click on it, you can search whatever you have worked on. You can search inside here to find whatever it is you've worked on in your history, in case you want to edit, modify, or do anything with the project you've worked on. All right, vibes. When you click on vibes, it shows you what other creators has done using Meta AI, their videos, their images. When you click on it, you have access to it. And under vibes, when you click on the vibes, let's say you choose a particular video that you like and you click on it, you're going to see it the way TikTok is. It will look like you're in a social media platform, but this time around you're going to be seeing different things. First of all, apart from the comments and the share and everything, here by your left hand side you're going to see the music this person added to it. This is the music, it's So Worry by Tope Alabi. And then beneath it you're going to see the prompt. Now the prompt is the prompt the person used to create this particular content. So for example, you don't know what to create, you don't have an idea, you don't understand, or you are looking for an inspiration for a particular work you want to create, you can come over to vibes and check out something that looks similar to what you want to do. Then you'll be able to copy the prompt. You can click on see more so that you see all the prompts. You scroll down, see everything, and then you can copy the prompt. When you copy the prompt, you can go over to Meta AI, your own new chat, paste the prompt, edit it, and regenerate. That is one. Two, you can copy the various prompts and then use it to learn how to prompt better. For example, you see a prompt that has neon lights or something that looks so different and you don't know how to generate such. You could see some words there, some terminologies there that would help you to create yours to look exactly like that. Okay, so that being said, that is that for vibes. Then you can come down to create. When you click on create, it opens up where you can generate your image or your video. Okay, it opens up this interface for generating your image or your video. Now if you want to start a new project, just click on new chat as I mentioned earlier. Over here you're going to see your history, things that you've done previously. That's your chat history, the projects you've done, images you've generated, discussions you've had with Meta AI, and all of that. Down here is your account. So you're going to click on the new chat. When you click on new chat, it brings you over here. Then when it brings you over here, if you have a prompt you want to work on already, you can go straight to pasting the prompt or typing the prompt, then you generate your images. But before you do that, you have to click on create image. Either you click on this create image or you click on this plus icon to click on create image. Now here is where you type your prompt. The plus icon is going to show you where you can add your files. Create is there, and then beneath it you see create. By the side of it on your right, you're going to see fast. Fast, when you select it, you're going to see thinking, you're going to see fast. Fast is when you put a prompt and send it, the AI hurriedly gives you a good response, but it gives it to you quickly. But when you select thinking, AI takes its time and gives you an in-depth response. This other button beside it is the send button or the enter button. It only becomes clickable when you type something inside this box. So that being said, we are going to be practicing using Meta AI to generate our videos. You can generate your videos in two ways. You can generate your videos by pasting the prompt of the video you want to generate, clicking the send button, and it generates the video for you. Or you can generate the video by, first of all, creating the image in Meta AI and then animating it. Let's see how it works. I have the prompt I want to work with. I'm going to paste the prompt and then I'm going to click this plus button, select create, select video, and then if you click animate, it's going to generate this particular video for you. But you will notice that the aspect ratio disappeared. This time around, it's going to generate it for you in a 9:16 aspect ratio. But if you decide to generate the image first, you will be able to put the aspect ratio in whatever aspect ratio you want it to be, maybe 1:1, maybe 16:9. When you put it that way, it's going to generate the image using that aspect ratio, and when you animate it, it's still going to retain the aspect ratio when you animate it. Our images are coming up. Let's patiently wait for it. Okay, so now we have the videos. It gave us 4 videos for the prompts that we gave it. We said king on a glowing throne, and it gave us these 4 videos. Let's say you like this one, you hover over it, go up, and then you click the download button. Besides the download button is the share button. You can share to whatever platform you want to share to. All right, but if you don't want to go straight to video generation, let's say you want it to be in 16:9 aspect ratio, what you do is, first of all, you select your 16:9 aspect ratio after you selected image, then you paste your prompt. When you paste your prompt, you generate the image. When you generate the image, it's going to be in the 16:9 aspect ratio, and then when it is generated, you can then click on the particular image you want. When you select it, you would see other options that are made available for you. These options, you can use it to do various things. Let's wait for this to generate. Okay, the images has been generated. You can select on one of it to see what it looks like. If you like it, you can go over here to animate it. Now I'm going to be explaining this other interface for you. Here are the videos or the images you have generated. Here you will see the main image. If you want to say, if you want to like it or dislike it, you can select this to give it thumbs up for good result, thumbs down for bad result, and you're going to say why, because there are options there. Then you can add it to your favorites. Now over here, you can see download, you can see share. These are the buttons you can use to collect the image or take it out from the website by maybe sharing it to people or downloading it into your device. Down here, you can see image prompt, describe your image. You can click on this pencil icon to edit it and then try it again in case you want to do so. If you want to edit it, you can also come here and do that. It's the same thing. Down here, you can describe it and then send. But over here, sorry, see the place you can cancel. So over here, you can just type what you want to edit and also click this button to send it. Now, there are 2 ways of animating this particular image. If you click this button that says animate, it's going to animate it on its own, the way it wants to animate it. It's not going to take instructions from you. It's not going to give you a place to put in any prompt to animate it. It will animate it after checking it and thinking this is the right thing to do with this particular photo. But if you want to tell it what to do while animating it, you click on custom animate. Here you can type in how you want the animation to be, the movement, whatever it is you want, camera motion, whatever it is you want, you can type it in custom animate. So we're going to do that right away. Click on custom animate. You'll see describe the animation. The king stands. the king stands and steps down from his throne. So let's animate that. When you click on the animate button, it's going to animate it right here, and you're going to see what you have created. After animating it, you're going to be seeing other options that are made available. You're going to see this music option. These are not available right now because it is still trying to animate the image. So down here you can see the add music button. You can add music from there. Down beneath it you can see the extend animation, and then right under it you can see restyle. So it has created it. You can see the king standing from his throne and stepping out of the throne. See him stand and then stepping out from his throne. All right, over here, as I said, you can click on this arrow to see the add music button. You can see the extend, and then you can see the restyle. Okay, you can see the extend and you can see the restyle. Restyle is used in case you want it to look a certain way. There are different looks we can see here. We can see this futuristic look. We can see this one that looks like a disco club where you see flashes of lights. This one looks like Superman or someone with superpowers and all of that. Okay, so this is what you can do with this particular video. You can change it, and also you can extend it. The extend button is not clickable right now. So I went back and selected the video so that I can click on the extend button. When I noticed that it was not clickable, I went back and returned to the video to be able to select the extend button or the add music button. Okay, so right now I can click on extend, but the challenge with this is that if you click on extend, it's going to extend it using its own initiative. It's not going to give you a place to type in what you want the AI to do. Okay, so it's going to extend it for you. But if you want to know how to extend it more than it is, and also be able to customize whatever it is you're going to see in the extension, type in the chat box meta. Type meta in the chat box and we are going to drop a video on that. So we're going to click on extend, and you're going to see it would extend the video. After he stands up, we're going to see the extra seconds they would add, and we'll see what they would add for us. Remember, if you want to learn how to extend it, extend the video while being in control of what you see in the extended seconds, make sure to type meta in the comment section. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can learn more of how to use AI tools for your YouTube content creation. Okay, so you can see that he stood up, turned around in front of his throne. Make sure to try Meta AI out. Compare Meta AI and your experience with Grok, and let us know in the comment section which you prefer.